Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Tintin. If you're preparing for a cruise ship interview, you probably spend hours watching videos about the most common interview questions. Tell me about yourself, why do you want to work on a cruise ship, and what are your strengths and weaknesses. But today, I want to talk about something different. Over the years, I've talked to a lot of applicants, and when I work on board Royal Caribbean, I also met many new crew members. One thing I notice is that many people prepare for the common questions, but when the interviewer suddenly asks something unexpected, they panic. And that's exactly what I want to help you avoid. Today, I'm going to share some uncommon interview questions that recruiters may ask. These questions are not meant to trick you. They're simply trying to understand who you are as a person, how you think, and how you react in situations you'll experience on board. So let's talk about them. One question that surprised a lot of applicants is, tell me something about yourself that isn't on your resume. When people hear this, they usually freeze because they spend so much time memorizing what's already written on their resume. But the interviewer already has your resume in front of them. They don't need you to repeat it. This is your opportunity to tell them something that shows your character. Maybe you enjoy learning new skills. Maybe you're the type of person who volunteers whenever help is needed. Maybe you enjoy reading books about customer service or watching videos that help you improve your communication. Those little things tell the interviewer much more about you than simply saying where you work. Another question you might hear is, what would you do if your supervisor asks you to do something you don't agree with? Now, this is where many applicants make a mistake. Some people immediately say, I'll refuse. Others say, they'll argue. Remember, on a cruise ship, everything follows a chain of command. You're working with people from all over the world, and teamwork is extremely important. A better answer is to explain that you would respectfully follow instruction unless the situation involves safety concerns. If you have concerns, you'll communicate professionally instead of creating conflict. Recruiters like people who can stay professional under pressure. Here's another one that catches people off guard. Tell me about a mistake you've made. Some applicants try so hard to prove they're perfect that they say they never made a mistake. Honestly, that's not believable. Everybody makes mistakes. The interviewer isn't judging you because you made one. They're looking at how you handle it. Did you admit it? Did you fix it? Did you learn from it? Those are the things that matter. Another interesting question is, how would your previous coworkers describe you? Instead of saying, they'll say, I'm nice, give them a real example. Maybe your coworkers will describe you as dependable because you always arrive early. Maybe they trusted you during busy operation because you stayed calm. The more specific your example is, the more believable your answer becomes. Now imagine the interviewer asks, what would you do if a guest started yelling at you? If you work in a customer service before, you already know this can happen. On cruise ships, guests come from different countries, different cultures, and sometimes they are frustrated. Interviewer wants to know whether you'll stay calm or make the situation worse. Always explain that you listen first, stay professional, apologize if appropriate, and try to solve the problem. And if it's beyond your authority, you'll ask your supervisor for assistance. Remember, they don't expect you to solve every problem by yourself. They just want to know that you won't lose your temper. Here's one that people rarely prepare for. What motivates you to leave your family and work on a cruise ship? Of course, salary is one reason. Let's be honest. Most of us apply because we want to provide a better life for our families. But don't stop there. Talk about building your career. Talk about learning from different cultures. Talk about becoming a better professional. That answer shows you're thinking beyond just paycheck. Since we're talking about life on board, don't be surprised if they ask, what would you do if your cabinet is messy? The question isn't really about cleaning. It's about how you deal with conflict. On cruise ship, you probably share a cabin. You cannot simply move out because of small disagreement. The recruiter wants someone who communicates respectfully and tries to solve problems before involving management. Another question I really like is, why should we hire you instead of hundreds of other applicants? This is your chance to sell yourself, not by bragging, but by confidently explaining what you bring to the team. Maybe you have excellent customer service skills. Maybe you learn quickly. Maybe you stay calm during busy operation. Think about what makes you valuable. Finally, here's a question that many applicants don't expect. If we don't hire you today, what will you do? Isn't about rejection. The recruiter wants to know your attitude. A strong applicant doesn't give up. You can simply say that you'll continue improving your skills, gain more experience, and apply again in the future because working on a cruise ship is still your goal. That answer shows determination. Before I end this video, I want to leave you with one piece of advice. Don't memorize answers word for word. Recruiters interview hundreds of applicants every month. They can usually tell when someone is simply reciting a script. Instead, understand the purpose behind each question. They're not looking for perfect English. They're not looking for perfect answer. They're looking for someone who is honest, professional, willing to learn, and capable of working with people from different cultures. If you can communicate those qualities naturally, you already stand out from many other applicants. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these uncommon interview questions help you feel more prepared and more confident during your interview. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's also chasing the dreams of working on a cruise ship. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your interview, and I truly hope to hear your success story soon.